How to pay for entertainment on the bedside units. The user will need to select which entertainment package they wish to purchase on the bedside unit, and complete the payment on a smart device. If you don't have a smart device and don't know the phone number or email address of someone who does, please pick up the phone on the bedside unit and press Customer Care, where our team can help. Or call the number on the screen. First, I will run through the user journey on the bedside units. From the home page, press the pink button that reads Buy Entertainment.
Then select what package you'd like to purchase. Here I'm selecting the one-day TV and movies bundle. Then confirm your selection. If you've already logged in, you'll need to confirm your account. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to create an account. Then you can select which method you'd like to receive the payment link. This is done either by text, email, or QR code. Getting the link via text means you have to provide a mobile number starting with 07. This can be to yourself or a family or friend. You will receive confirmation that the message has been sent, else you'll see an error message if it hasn't been sent. If you choose by email, you will see this screen. Here you can enter an email address. It can be your own or a family or friends. You will see a confirmation screen if the email has been sent successfully, or a screen informing you of a failed delivery. If you choose by QR code, this screen will appear. Scan the code with your phone camera and select Open Browser. You will be taken directly to the payment page. After the entertainment is purchased, the patient will see this message pop up on their screen. Now they will be able to access more entertainment. When you go into the entertainment page after purchasing a package, it will show you how many days hours of paid time you have left. Now I will run through the payment process on your smart device. When the payee clicks on the payment link through email or text, they will see this screen. If the user is using an Android device, they will see the option for Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay and PayPal. If the user is using an Apple device, they will see Apple Pay instead of Google Pay. When selecting the first payment option, the user will be taken to this screen. Here they can enter their card details. Alternatively, they can select the drop-down box to view more payment options such as Google Pay. If the payment is successful, the user will see a confirmation screen.
For more information, go to our FAQ page.